Hey everyone, Pete from Joe Emporium here. So in this video we are making this unicorn shape with some wool hair. You're going to have to start off by colouring in your unicorn, and you can do that in any style you want. So once you've finished colouring it in all, you can use felt tips or paints or anything. Next we're going to start putting all the wool hair on. So you want to tie it on, use a double knot, and then you just keep going. You can do that in any style or pattern you want to and make it your own. So once you finish with that bit, the next bit you might need some grown-up help, but we're going to use some scissors, so you've got to be careful. And then we're going to use the scissors to trim the hair, and then hey presto, you're all done.